Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making red, edua and beans, Garri and beans, or you call Garri. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. Ingredients will be needing our black eye beans, red plantain, our Garri, palm oil, pepper, chopped onions, momoni, that's fermented fish, some onions, salt to taste, and we are going to accompany with some avocado pay. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. So guys, we start by cooking our beans. Guys, let's check on our beans. Our beans is doing perfect. Cover it up again. Still needs to cook. Go ahead and add our chopped onions to the beans, guys. And then we'll add our fermented fish. That is the momoni. We are waiting for cocoa, so now peel our plantain. One who said the cocoa, let's see a flavors never no question. Just say Abraham, just a what 10 color crow. When so I'm going to fry it with my palm oil. Said they not before no. Omuche cocoa my lady beans. Sabina me dear no in a betch. Hi. I'm going to use palm oil for the frying of the raw plantain. And also take your raw plantain into another level. These days it's been oil or cooking oil, vegetable oil, but onya means some nama yen type first. This oil is for the frying of the raw plantain. We are using palm oil, as I said earlier on, for the frying of the raw plantain. Go ahead and add some salt solution water. With the palm oil, I'm frying it in the shallow frying method. So, maybe I clear the vegetable. Come on, I color the whole bit. Go ahead and blend our pepper. And a little bit of salt. This pepper dip for your adria Garri or Garri and beans is only salt, pepper, and onion. Guys, you don't add anything to this. Guys, our beans is ready. Look at the texture. So right, come on. So I'll put on the fire. Go ahead and add onions to the palm oil. Our raw plantain is ready, so go ahead and remove this. Guys, look at this. So wow. See this yachi. oil is ready, so go ahead and put on the fire and we are going to serve. Guys, let's go ahead and serve our red. Look at this, guys. Guys, let's serve with some wrap plantain, guys. Coconut jana home. I guess I'm good so. Guys, you add some curry. Some hot pepper, guys. And then we add some guys, look at this. Yummy, yummy. Guys, let's add our pear, avocado pear, guys. Look at this. Go ahead and add our egg. Always important. Look at this combination, guys. Our gourmet Adriana beans, Garri and beans, Yoko Garri. I don't know where you come from and which language you speak. Comment below, let me also know what name you call this food. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Kiss.